This is a 2000 S2000, separating clutch from the engine, transmission from the engine. So when you undo all your bolts around the transmission, all of these, when you undo them, don't try to pull it before you pull out the slave cylinder fork. I'll show you why, because you're gonna damage it. So right here you have to disconnect this, or just undo those two bolts right here, or pull this little slave cylinder valve out, and then you have to pull this out to separate the transmission from the engine. You see why right there? That's why you have to pull it out. Or if you're gonna put a screwdriver here or anything, or try to do it with force, you're gonna chip off your casing. Don't do that. Pull this out first.